Dear students, in this topic, we will talk about one of the large and one of the conserved group of arthropods, which is called as myriapods. Myriapods, actually, there are more than 13,000 species of myriapods. They exist on this planet Earth, and their main characteristics is presence of many legged appendages. So they have more than three pairs of leg present on their body. Now, all myriapods, they are terrestrial form. That means that they do not live in the water bodies or in the aquatic environment. They live on the land. Now, their appendages are present only on one branch, which is called as ramus. When we talk about the size of myriapods, as you can see in this diagram, we have a typical example of centipede. When we talk about the size of this one, it could be as small as microscopic, and it could be as large as 30 centimeter in length. And also, when we talk about the appendages, it could be less than 10 appendages, or it could be as many as 200 pairs of appendages present on their body. Now, when we differentiate in the body parts, it has only two body parts. One is head and the other is trunk. Now, when we talk about the frontal portion of myriapods, they have a pair of antennae which is located on their heads, and the jaw, which provide the sensory input. It helps them to sense or to understand about the things which they encounter while moving to any direction. Now, when we talk about the respiratory system is just like the other large groups of arthropods. They have a tracheal system, and that tracheal system helps them in the exchanges of different gases. Now, the digestive system is long and tubular, so it has two ends, starts from mouth and to the other end of their body. Most of the myriapods, they are abundantly present in the damp forests, in the soil. They have a very important role of decomposition of different compounds into their simpler forms. So they have a very important role in breaking down of those plant materials. Some of the species of myriapod, they also live in grasslands or semi-arid environment, or even some of them, they live in the desert areas. Now, when we talk about the phylogeny of myriapods, they have a very distinct phylogeny. You can say that diplopod phylogeny they have, and it strongly supports the monophily of myriapods. And the phylogenetic relationship among other arthropods or other clades of arthropods, when we talk about myriapods, have distinct monophily, and they have diplopod phylogeny.